Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my doggy. I mean, I wouldn't say portfolio, but more of a position, right? I have almost 3,000 doggy. I have about $1,500 worth. So far, right now, I'm up 20%, about 275 bucks. If we dip down back to like the $48 range, like 46, 48, I think I'll probably buy a little bit more just because it is breaking yearly highs, and I do think it's gonna keep going up. Don't use fundamentals on doggy. It's a fucking meme. Like, it's a meme coin. Like, the only reason I'm putting money into it is for fool's insurance, right? Like, if this thing, I'd rather lose, how much do I have in it? I'd rather lose $1,500 in the next 10 years instead of being like, oh man, I should have invested like $100 originally, right? But I mean, if we hit a, I don't think we're gonna hit $1. I mean, that's completely like insane, right? If this hits $1, I make $291,000. I think I will be adding more to this position. I'll probably grow this position to be maybe like $2,000-3,000. I want to have at least $1 million doggy. So if we do ever hit $1, I'll make $1 million bucks, right? And I don't mind putting in a couple $1,000s into this and just kind of letting it run for a really long time. But yeah, just a quick update on my position. I'm probably gonna buy a couple grand more. Maybe if we do drop back down to like the 48, like 0.00048 level, whatever. As of right now, it does look like we're headed to the 56. If we break 56, you know, I do think we're going to the 64 range, and after that, we do have to break that 70-ish level, and then after that, it's basically straight up moon. If we do ever pass the 0.02 mark, I 100% believe that we're going to $1, which is absolutely insane. And at that point, it would have been dumb not to buy more, right? Like, it's really, like I said, this is about having fool's insurance on a position. Fundamentals don't matter. This is a meme crypto. Everybody knows Elon Musk loves doggy and Bitcoin, and he already said that on Mars is gonna run on their own cryptocurrency. So, you know, this thing is gonna be running. If it, like I said, if it ever does drop back down to like 48, 49, I'm probably dropping another grand or two on this and just kind of riding it out and see what happens.